Hello, welcome you all to this tutorial. In the previous session, we have seen some redirect rule in slide. Now we will see in lab. Okay. So, okay. Now, okay, okay, okay. So this is kind of some example of redirects. As you can see, I have a default location here, and it's in context having a rewrite expression, and I'm using a last keyword. Okay. So whenever we will have some data and some arbitrary word and key and arbitrary word, it should rewrite our URL to this Linux, this data slash Linux slash uh, the the last word. Okay. So let's see if we. Okay, something bad happened here. I don't know. So I think that. Okay, I think that we had an extra. Okay, now again the same problem. My bad, sorry. Here I don't have any server context. Okay, so here I have to have my server context. Okay, now if I put this section, I think it should work. Okay, okay, now let's see. Let us first check that. Okay, now our configuration is fine. If I restart again, and now if I make a call like this one. Okay, this one. So as you can see, it's returning the word there. Okay, so how this is happening? As you can see, I have the data keyword me and geek and hello, and data me goes there and hello goes there. So this is how it's rewriting our URL. But I would like to return my original URI. Okay, Control Shift P, save, restart. Okay, now as you can see, it's returning the original URL data me geek hello, but it should uh, return the rewritten URL like data. Okay, Linux. I think I have missed out something here. Okay, so what is that actually? Okay, okay, okay. We will explore this later. Now let's see the next example. Okay, we will see this one. Actually, this URL also look like just we are using some break statement flag here, nothing else. But I think that we should explore this one. Okay, so let's see. My bad. Okay. uh this one, okay, right? I think everything is fine. If I save this, and now if I restart, I think there is some problem. So let's see what's the problem here. Okay, I think there shouldn't be any problem because we have exactly uh, what I copied from there. Okay, now let's check what is the problem. Let's save again, and now check sudo nginx dash t. Just fail. Unknown directive echo. Oh my bad. Here is some unknown directive echo. So without using echo, I would like to use this one. So this time my Nginx version not supporting echo. Okay, fine. If I save again, and now if I test my configuration, fine. Okay, now as you can see, if I make a request in this URL, actually I implemented this, and okay, this one. Then as you can see, finally matched location document. So I am hitting on slash text, but when it is finding the slash text, it is redirecting me to slash notes slash something. Okay, so and then it's finding the rewrite logic notes slash something slash text, and then it's again uh, passing the execution to slash document slash something. Okay, so it's writing here documents. Okay, so I would like to also show you what is the rewritten URL here. Okay, URI, that's it. If I save again, and if I save, control L. Now this time after restarting, okay, as you can see, it's rewritten at document slash text, but we had our original request at slash text and it's rewritten, right? So this is how it's rewrite our original request. Okay, so this was the without any break or without any last flag. Now we will see some other example like this one. Okay, okay, fine. Let's copy it and paste it. I think I'm done. Now let's also change this echo. Right, okay, fine. So if I save this, and if I restart, and if I make a call again like this one, and now so let's see what happened. It is redirecting me to the location nodes. Okay, so it's find the break, it's stop the execution, and it's trying to find slash nodes exactly in other okay location block. But if I put a last, it will exactly do the same. Okay, so this is not parse because it's found to break a last. Okay, so this is outside of use of break in outside of your location. Now let's see the third one, inside location block break statement. Okay, Okay. Now it's fine. Now let's see again. After restarting, oh, it's generating some error. That means I messed up. Okay. So I think I messed up with some brackets. Okay. It's fine. So now let's see what happened, what I'm requesting. Finally matched location. So how this is happening? Okay, it's slash test. So it will finally come here. Okay. And it will, it is returning this one, right? Okay. But it shouldn't be there. It shouldn't be there because if I return, it will not come here. But if I hide this, okay, now restart. Now let's check. Okay, 404. So when it's find the break, it is not pass anything else in this location. Okay, so it's not going to this redirect rules. So as it is finding slash something called um, test.txt. Okay, so it's not going to anywhere. But if I use a keyword called last, let's see what happened. It is the last of this location, but it will go to find another location, right? Okay, so as you can see, that's the only difference between last and break. Break drastically breaks its rewriting rules, and but last going for looking to other location which matches uh, URL prefix, right? And then the last one. Okay, like exactly here as I am returning, it's not going to execute this others rules. Okay, so we have to find something that can log our whatever we write here. Okay, but here I am not able to execute this echo. In your case, or in further details, I think I will able to show you uh, how can we log. Okay, now let's make it return. Okay, so now this is cope with our context that the problem was inside location block last keyword. So I think I have shown you in the previous section. That means here is the last keyword, so it will find the next one notes, it will come here notes, and it will document it's written this one. So let's restart this. Let's make a calcul. Okay, so how I am getting this location documents here, as I have already test.txt, it's coming there, it's finding that something like that and messing this, and it's redirecting to this one, and as it is last, it will come directly to this one, and it will match this syntax, and it will redirect us to this document. Okay, document slash something. So this is how our last and break keyword also work. Now this was the summary. So only if you have a last keyword inside of a location block, it will try to find other location executing matching the rewritten URL. Okay, so this is a brief understanding of how our redirect rules work. In the next video, we will see video streaming, some video streaming architecture. So till then, bye and be safe. Assalamu alaikum.